my god. It is so good.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So today, so I have you guys here in my kitchen today because I wanted to try some recipes in this book. I got this as a gift a few years back and I just never bothered to open it. It's just one of those like pretty coffee table books. It's been sitting in my bookshelf collecting dust. I've never busted it open and I thought, why haven't I? So in this book, there are a ton of vegetarian recipes and they're all really simple, which I was so surprised because I thought this was like a super complex cookbook. I wanted to try some of these recipes on camera with you guys to see if they're actually good or if they're just like Instagrammable. So we'll have to see. Anyway, let's jump to grocery shopping. Alright, first thing I need, mozzarella cheese. Next up, pecans. Cherry tomatoes, basil, and some strawberries for dessert. You know what I got that I'm so excited about? These vegetarian Rice Krispies. Mmm, so good. Mmm. Salt and pepper. Looking good. Ooh, that one's good. Okay, 8 more minutes. The recipe says I need elephant garlic, but I couldn't find any at the grocery store, so regular garlic will do. Oh no! They're not staying in one piece. I don't know why. Da 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 da. Wow, it actually looks really good put together. I was struggling earlier, girl. These cheeses, that was so hard to fry. They all just started bursting out like that, but it looks yummy. I'm excited to try this. Do a little ASMR. This is actually so good. Mmm, it's good, right?
Oh, that's good.
The cheese actually tastes so good.
Yeah.
I don't even like cherry tomatoes, but like this, so good. Love it. Okay, for lunch today, I think I'm gonna make the cauliflower cheese steak. It looks so bomb, and it's actually really simple to make. It only requires like 3 steps, so let's get going. Okay, just took out my little toaster oven. I like to use my toaster oven most of the time because it's tiny and I'm usually just cooking for me and Wa, so we don't need like the big oven. Every time we use that one, we have to take everything out of it. You guys know in an Asian household, the oven is storage, okay? So there's like a ton of stuff in there and I'm usually just too lazy to clean that up. So I use this little toaster oven. I think we got it from Amazon like a while back and it works so great. It heats up really fast and it's easy to clean. Roast the steaks on an oiled sheet, 375 degrees for 15 minutes per side. Y'all about to get roasted. All right, let's grate this cheeses. Babe, am I doing this right?
So what you want to do is always press down and go all the way.
Okay, well,
Should I just do it for you?
yeah.
You might as well title it.
Wa cooks me
Yeah.
food. Ah, it broke. Ooh, that one looks pretty. salt, pepper, the cheeses, the green onions. So I'm all done, and I feel like my plating is nothing near as pretty as the recipe book looks, but that's because I did not cut my cauliflower very nicely, and I just have all these little bits instead of like one flat steak. But I hope it tastes good, so I'm gonna give it a try now.
It tastes healthy, which is not a bad thing. Yeah, it's like not greasy at all. This is definitely something I would make for whenever my friends come over and I want like a pretty appetizer that's easy to share. This is a good one. It's so easy to make, you just bake it. Alright guys, so the next recipe is a dessert, and I have been dreaming about this since the day I saw it in this book, and I'm so ready to make this because your girl is on her periods, you know, and I have a sweet tooth, like a really bad sweet tooth. I normally don't even care for sweets, but on my period, oh girl, I will have donuts for breakfast, ice cream for lunch, and pie for dinner, okay? So this is what we're making. The fried banana split. Look at that. This just made me realize I have never cut a banana before. Whenever I eat bananas, I just eat them like a banana. I never make dessert out of it. So now I'm gonna add the ice cream. I don't have a proper like ice cream scoop, so I'm not gonna get the perfect scoops, but we'll try. So I'm gonna add some cinnamon, put that on the banana, pecans. Ladies and gentlemen, here is our dessert. Period approved. So there's no doubt that this is good. I'm not even gonna say, oh, I wonder if it's good. Of course it's good, girl. We got some ice cream. Just sweet goodness. Oh my God, it is so good. The banana and the crunch from the pecans. Oh my God. Girl, if you're on your period, treat yourself and make this right now. So good. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it, and the recipes are all so good. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like these, or if you have a certain cookbook that you really like and you think that maybe I will like the recipes. Let me know in the comments. I would love to try it out. Oh, this is really sweet. It is so sweet. You know when you have like really sweet stuff to go down your throat and you cannot stop coughing? Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of it and if you're gonna try any of the recipes, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.